Hey, let me show you about the dynamic conveyor catenary sag module. Now, catenary sag module is intended for people with longer lengths of belt, let's say 50-foot long conveyor or longer. You don't want your belt to do this accordion action as your belt gets longer, so you need a catenary sag module. I'll show you what it's intended for. You'll notice that as you're feeding your belt and threading your belt, it's riding on top of these blue supports inside the catenary sag module. Now, this allows this belt to be supported to the point where you can easily put your lacing rod through over at your feed end, okay? But once you got your lacing rod through and your belt is all on here, that's when these blue pieces come out. They're just a fixture to help you string a belt correctly and keep your conveyor running nice and smooth. Let me show you a little bit greater detail on another module over here and how you do remove these parts of the fixture and where you're going to put them afterwards. So here's a good representation of a catenary sag module up on its side piece. Here's the piece I'm talking about. After your belt is all threaded through here, that's when these come out, and it even says right on them, remove after belt installation, okay? So the only time these are in here is when you're initially stringing your belt, then they're no longer in there until you go to string another belt down the road, in the future, whatever. So here's what I like to do with them in my own personal world. They're held in place by two of these socket head cap screws. After your belt is strung, you take both sides out, and then you're going to want to put these someplace safe where you don't lose them. And a nice place to put them is right back on top on the outside edge of your conveyor. Run your bolts in from the other side, secure them in place. These little socket head cap screws aren't going to be in the way of anything. And you're going to have everything that you need in place for the next time if you ever go to put these back underneath to string another belt. So there you have it, dynamic conveyor, catenary sag module, how to correctly put it in place, how to correctly use it. Thank you. Give us a call if we can help you.